This is my latest experiment of combining laser cutting and UV printing. For the design, I went for the Star Wars A New Hope poster. It seemed like it would benefit the most from the layered design. I began by tracing the key elements of the image using Curvature tool in Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator has a great feature. If you select an image and a curve above it and then press Ctrl+7, you can easily shape the image to match the curve. This feature was super useful for seeing each layer clearly. For the backboard, I decided on an R2D2 shape. Trying to nail the position and scale was tougher than I thought, and left me with blank lines at the top and bottom. Decided the best move was to extend the image using the content-aware fill in Photoshop. It's kind of wild how effective this feature is. Surprises me each time I use it. I applied double-sided tape to the acrylic. It's definitely a lot neater than using glue, since it's not messy and there's no waiting around. I'm making the foreground elements out of acrylic. It has two major pluses. It's easy to print on and it bonds way better than wood. But for the backboard, I'm going for 1/4-inch plywood to ensure the sign is robust. Don't forget to get that protective film off the acrylic. I totally didn't skip that on my first attempt. The film can get a bit fused to the edges when cutting, so if you've got a trick to handle that, leave a comment. The only step left now is to peel off that tape and get all the pieces lined up. And there you have it, the finished piece. Do let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in seeing me make posters for the other two films.